Give me one, team. This is Mikey's. Give me one more. It's gonna rooster tail's gonna go under the left tube if I do it clean. And I'm gonna pivot and point downstream. This is where I want to be, believe it or not. Backwards one. Forward two. Get down. Get down, stay down. Good job, team. Relax, we might bump something. We might not, I'm rubbing it though. Okay, hop up, team. Good job. Give me one more. This is Let's Make a Deal. For some reason I think Sergeant Sardinkle right about now. Give me two. All right, we got door number two. We made the move. This is gonna be fun, kids. Let's be ready. Don't tumble out, it's gonna get bouncy. Give me two. Okay, stay loose, don't tumble out here. Give me two, team. Give me two more, dig them. Give me two. Dig these hard, they matter. Hand me like a second. See that rock over to your right? Look behind you, Andrew. See that rock? That is Black Betty. Do not hit it. Give me two. That is the main hazard for rafters here as far as wrecking the raft. This is not a fun rapid to swim. Thank you for not swimming it. It is a great place to swim when the river's off though. There's like tunnels in the rocks you can swim through. Yeah, this is Blue Hole. Give me two more. All right, I like what I saw. Give me two. Those are real slalom boats you see over there. Give me two. This is probably the best place to practice slalom boat. What's up, brother? Give me two, team. That was Smiley Face. Give me two more. And two. I'm being silly, but I like it. All right, coming up's gonna be slam dunk. In a kayak, it really is. Probably won't be too hard to hit in this, but don't tumble. Give me two. Oh, that's crazy, Fred. You can fix it. Give me two, team. This cowhand's coming up. It's my favorite part. I think you'll like it. Give me two. Give me two more. Try not to giggle. Give me two now. Dig them. Give me two more. That was a nice line. And two more. Up. Give me two together. Get ready, team. Give me two more. Give me three. Give me two. Give me two more, team. Give me two more. Give me one. Stop. Give me three. Dig them, baby. Don't fall down, Fred. That's silly. That'd be a funny picture. Smile. Thank you, Alicia. Yeah, brother. Thank you for holding the rope. Give me two. We want to get into today. I don't want to clobber the kayakers. Give me two more. Stop. Be ready. Give me two more. Give me two more. Okay, bosun's mate, Andrew, jump out and grab the raft and land it. Everybody else give me one forward. Give me one more forward. I want to make sure Andrew don't get hurt. You got good anchor?
Yep. I'm on.
Give me two more, team. This is Roach Motel. All right, give me two. These will help line up in a minute. Give me two. That was a good line, kids. One more. Another pretty good hit, I think. Give me two. We're coming up on what they call Hungry Mother. Give me two. You can get down for this hit, but don't fall out, whatever you do, Fred. Give me two. Give me two more. Andrew, never go right of where I am now. There are ejection rocks over there. It will throw you out. It will probably throw other people out if you hit them. Says the voice of experience that has done that to himself. So it was a long time ago. I went too far right. I hit an ejection rock. There's a little kid in front of me. I threw him in the bottom of the raft, and I got launched like 20 feet past the front of the raft. Fortunately, I landed in water and not on rock. If you really want to cool off so you can eat more, you can get down, but you probably don't need to. Oh, you're getting goosebumps.
I'm freezing.
Don't worry, we'll warm you back up and feed you. I just gotta make sure you're cool enough to eat.
Oh, it feels great.
Don't giggle, Fred. You can't do nothing when you do that. All right, that's more fun, arguably, on sunny days. But anyway, and have a little bit of fun. Two more. And relax. High five, brother. This is broken nose. No, don't paddle. Oh, Fred, pay attention, man. I do this all the time, don't worry. 4-2. Stop. Bump. 4-2 now. Hey, don't tumble out, kids. Y'all make me nervous. Don't tumble out. Big hit, right side, be aware. Look, Mom, no hand. Give me two forward, team. Pop your feet out and cups up front. Y'all are gonna be getting down in a second. Give me two more. Okay, go ahead, get down, lock in tight. Do not fall out. It's a baby surf, I won't get you too wet. All right, break out your smiles. Give me two now. Oh no, kayaker wants to play chicken. He must know me. Oh my, that was crazy. I think Jordan did almost exactly the same thing right behind us. Give me two, team. Give me two more. Give me one more. Give me two more. Yeah, I think that one's his. Well, thank you so much for coming rafting. We really appreciate you.